Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. I just got through doing a video, and I'm actually going to call this part 3, just in case you ever want to do this. You can't have this text around this circle. If we go to Object, Order, Back a Page, well, it puts it behind the trunk so you can't read it. So this is still a text. So we need to go to Object and convert it to a curve. Now, we're going to nudge this over, and I'm going to take just a 2-point line, and I'm going to put it like right there. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to try to get it between some letters. Now, I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move that over there. So what we're going to do, we're going to split this text in half. And because we've converted it to a curve, it will cut out. Now, this is probably a little bit unorthodox, but I don't right now know of another way you could do it. So we're deleting everything on the bottom. Let me zoom in here. Got it. Now we need to delete everything on the bottom. So we'll have 2 halves. And this would be a little bit easier if it was straight up and down, but we don't want to mess it up. And in just a second, we'll have this. I think we got it. We can now take our line away just by deleting. And now we can move this over there, and we got that circle. Now we can move them both. And it'd probably be better at this time to go ahead and go to Object, Order, Back a Page. And then on this one, just nudge it over. And now it looks like it's going around the tree. It's in front and in back. And you could do that with anything, a building or a person. And I don't really know well, I do know another way to do it, but this is probably the easiest. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.